Hey third graders, look what we have. Our incubator is up and running. Our incubator has a thermometer on top of it. It says that it's 37.5 degrees Celsius. Celsius is a unit of measure to measure air temperature. I have two different kinds of thermometers in our incubator. You see the little cord with the prong that goes into the incubator? It's measuring the inside temperature, air temperature of the incubator. It says here it's about 98.7 Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is the unit of measure we use in the United States to measure air temperature. It's about the same, they mean about the same temperature, they're just different units of measure. For our incubator temperature to be perfect for hatching eggs, we want it to be about 99 to 100 degrees. We're really close, so I think we're at a great temperature. It will fluctuate a little bit here and there. That means it'll go up and down by a degree or two. We don't want it to go above 100 by very much because that'll be too hot for the eggs. Do you see the 62%? That's measuring the humidity inside the incubator. The humidity is the amount of water in the air, and there's water inside the bottom of the incubator. I know you can't see it, but there's two little holes down here. When I need to put water into the incubator, I put the water in through those two little holes using this. Do you see how it fits right into there? Just like that. So if we need to add more water, we just squirt a little bit in. So I have this device too. Do you remember me telling you about it? It's called a candler. It's like a flashlight. You put the egg on top of the candler and you can see the baby duck growing inside the egg. So every day the baby will change. You'll start to see veins inside the egg. You'll start to see the baby growing inside the egg. Today when we put the eggs into the incubator, you won't be able to see very much, but I will show you a picture. Do you see that little rod right there? That's a device that rocks the eggs back and forth, because if you put eggs into an incubator, you can't just put them in, you have to turn them. We have a special machine in our incubator that does the turning for us. And if I show you over here, you can see that little rod. It moves back so slow that you can't even see it, but there's trays inside the incubator, and it will slowly rock the eggs back and forth. And we will keep the eggs in the incubator for 28 days before they hatch. When they start to get ready to hatch, you'll see a little hole inside the egg. It's called a pip. I'll show you some pictures later. And then eventually that pip will turn into a bigger crack, and the baby will peck its way around using the tip of its bill, and the baby will come out of the egg. But it takes 28 days, so we're gonna have to be patient. I'll put the eggs in there today. We'll take some pictures of me putting the eggs into the incubator, and take some pictures of take some video of how they look right now when I put them on the candler. And then we'll get to see how they change over the next couple of days. I think you'll be really surprised. I hope we have fun doing this egg hatching project. I think we're going to really enjoy it.